All of you are creative people, and you all know very well that you cannot create under stress. If you're angry, if you've got pressure on you, if you're thinking about something else, you can't create. But if you were to continue laughing for another 10 minutes and I said, okay, here's a piece of paper, create me a new garment, I promise you, you would create something wonderful because you're coming from a new point, from a new viewpoint. Everything we experience, we believe is real. But what we attach to that reality is what makes all the difference. So, are you hypnotized? Can I hypnotize you? Do I need to? Most of you already are hypnotized, but not by me. We're all hypnotized by the different things, the different messages we get. Our parents have hypnotized us. We're the product of everything we've experienced in our life. You do not need to learn anything new. You need to unlearn what you've learned. Meaning, so many of us have been taught lies about our own potential, about our own possibilities, about who we are, about what we can achieve, about what we can do, about how good we are, about what we have to offer, about the fact that I'm not just the garment. I'm not just what I design. I'm not just what I create. I'm a whole person who also creates and designs.